this is Sophie, your French girl from Go Dominican Life. Today I'm going to show you a 3-bedroom house that is located in a town of Puerto Plata. So come with me. Did you see this is a brand new house? So it's located in Puerto Plata, not too far from the center of the town, from the beach. It's a quiet residential here. So if you're looking for a brand new house, this is a place. It's spacious, nicer wood done for the cabinet, the kitchen. So you only need to bring your furniture and your imagination for decoration and everything. So this is a good price for a 3-bedroom house. If you need more information, click the link below, subscribe, share, and like.